Tired of green screen footage that looks like it was edited with MS Paint? Let's fix that. First, drag your green screen footage and your background footage into your DaVinci Resolve 18 timeline on the Edit page. Place the green screen clip on the upper video track, typically V2, and your background clip on the lower video track, V1. Now jump over to the color page. This is where the magic happens. In the color page, make sure you are on the node for your green screen clip and go to the Qualifier Palette. Use the Qualifier Picker tool, that little eyedropper icon, and click on the green in your green screen footage. Try to pick an area of the green screen that represents the average color. Now, under the qualifier settings, adjust the HSL hue, saturation, luminance sliders hue, sat, and lum to refine your selection. The goal is to make the green screen area pure white and your subject pure black. Next, open the matte Finesse palette and adjust the DinWaz, blur radius, and contrast sliders. DinWaz helps clean up any graininess. Blur radius softens the edges of your key, and contrast sharpens the edges of the subject. Play around with these settings until you get a clean edge. Finally, tweak the clean black and clean white sliders to remove any lingering green spill around your subject. Carefully adjust these to refine the edge even further, removing any fringing. And there you have it, a clean, professional green screen removal in DaVinci Resolve 18. Experiment with these settings to achieve the best results for your specific footage. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.